over here by the moringa. Yeah. It's so beautiful over here this morning. These are morning glories that reseeds themselves always on the fence, and that's cool. But they are beautiful. Hey. Hey. So this is my moringa tree that grew back from when I cut her down. And this is how tall she is today. Yeah. The regrow. Oh yeah. And that is gladiola back there. It's gorgeous. I guess it's about 6 o'clock in the evening, and that's when I really like to sit out here now. It's really nice. Very nice. When you're under some tall plant, right? Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, baby, you're beautiful. And there is one of my sunflowers. Yeah. There's another one under there being choked out by morning glories. But that's all right. Yeah. So this is Fiona. That's Fiona. And this is what I noticed about Fiona today. Some of her figs are turning colors. They're turning colors. Just a few of them are turning colors, but this, oh, lizard. But that is so cool. Some of them are turning colors. And this is the only one that's turning colors. This is the LSU purple and the gold. Nothing is turning colors on them, but their fruits are nice and healthy and big. And this is the brown turkey, the biggest one. And yeah, they all doing good. They all doing real good. Everybody is happy with all of this rain, y'all. They are happy with all this rain. And so am I. So am I. So this morning I came out to check on my tomatoes and see that's one down there. Let's see if I can get you to see it. There it is there. These are those tie-dyes, that Sam tomato. Yeah. There's more of them. They're doing really good. And I did eat that tomato. It was so good. It was good. I think I'm gonna try to let these stay on the plant a little longer. I'm gonna try, y'all. Where are you, baby? There you are. Really? Okay. Yeah, so it's doing good. It's doing real good, y'all. It's humid as all get up out here early this morning. And I've been watering my watermelon patch. Yeah. I've been watering everything this morning. I've been giving everything a deep water for what's to come in this day. Yeah, baby. Well, at least they're going to be ready for it, whether it rains or not. And it has been raining every day. But I just want to make sure everybody gets some water, right? But I did spot something because I have not ventured off into this, poking around. No. no. But as I was watering, I did see one thing. Let's see if I can find it again now. Oh, there it is right there. I think that felt heavy. There it is down there. Okay. Let's see if I can get a good look at it. That didn't look like, oh, it was it. That was it. See it right there? Now, I'm thinking that's let's see if I can set it up. Yeah, there it is. I think that's a banana melon. That's what I think it is. Anyway, let me see if I could lay it down. All right. I think it's a banana melon. Yeah. But that's the candy roaster squash, and it's going that way. Yeah. So this is all like honeydews and watermelons. So this one here, I think that's it. I'm not sure, but I've seen a lot of little ones that doesn't look like that one. But I'm gonna wait until they get a little bit bigger, and then, you know, they will definitely say their names. They'll say who they are. But it looks like it's getting more cloudy, and looks like it's gonna rain. Looks like the rain is coming more faster than what I thought, right? But anyway, guys, I just wanted to share my watermelon patch, and she all back there. Yeah, she's all back there. But she's contained, that's for sure. Because I stopped her, and, well, I stopped her from coming this way. She could go that way. Alright, guys. I holla. So I was walking away from the watermelon patch. Will you look at that, y'all? Y'all see that back there? Whoa. Whoa. I didn't know she was back there. Oh my God. She is huge back there. I didn't know. I didn't know, y'all. That is so cute. So cute back there. Let's see. I knew I had some up here too. I'm not going back there though. No, but we can see her though. We can see her. What up, baby? Ooh, she's beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. We got watermelons for sure. This is a Dollar Tree pink lady. It's a bulb. And it's coming from right under the brick close to my house. I did not know she was here. But she will show you. She will show you. Here she is, next to the rosemary. I don't know, maybe all that rain kind of helped her out a lot, but there she is. Came up from the bricks, baby. And now she's looking gorgeous. So I'm out in my garden. I need to harvest a cucumber that's under there. But Ben is taking some of the, wait a minute, y'all. Wait a minute. It is bright because the sun is on that side. But he's taking some of this elderberry down because it is over my fig trees. And I don't want her to be over the fig trees. I want the fig trees to get the sun. But let's get this yeah, I had to break off a lot of my cucumbers because they were grabbing. This is Greek Mountain Mint. Yeah, I had to get that off of here. But there's a cucumber in here that is, where'd it go? There she is. Okay, let me see, can I get her? Look at them, they're all in the way. All right, there she is. Yay! That's a jade. But I think I saw another one, so I'm gonna go check. Yeah. Well, the rain has stopped so far for today. There's still more rain in the forecast, but this is lemon balm, and this is also ground cherries here. They are just everywhere, and yep, we have been enjoying them, y'all. Yeah, it's almost like you can't eat them all. It's just so many, and this is just one plant. That's all it is, one plant. So here is one. I'm about to take care of it. I've just eaten about 20 of them so far. But as you can see, look, a lot of them is just on the ground. And this is how they just reseed themselves, you know, because you just can't eat them all. But I tried to get them, and as they fall, the kids come out here and eat them, so, you know, that's the way that goes. Yeah, but we've been having rain for the last 3 days and nights, just rain. But I ain't mad. And by the look of the garden, they're not mad either. Not at all, y'all. So this is my mullein, and I have 2 plants in here. There's another little one right there who is not getting any sun because of the bigger one. So I'm gonna put it in, I'm thinking I may put it in Jada's truck rim. That's what I think, even though it's going to outgrow it really, really big. It's gonna get really big, but that's where she's gonna go. So this evening, when the sun is going down, I'm gonna put this baby in Jada's old truck rim. That's where she going, y'all. So I haven't watered anything this morning yet, but I'm about to get to it. But this is what I found. Now I had a lot of zinnias in this bed, so I took some of them down, and I drew the petals. I just drew the flower heads in the bed because, you know, they're gonna grow back. But this is what I found in this bed. Now, I knew about this baby. It's a turmeric. But then there's 2 more turmeric plants in here. Hey, I'm going to leave them. I'm going to leave them right where they are. And I haven't given anyone water yet, but yeah, look at that back there. Yeah, so I have a lot of cucumbers ready. So it looks like another peaches run is about to happen. So I'm going to get on the phone and call Keith. Yeah. So here are the beans I dropped with you all. And as you can see, they are rolling up, baby. The beans are coming up. Those are the poles, and the bush beans are coming up. You're doing good. Y'all, it's just been all of this rain going on. Just a lot of rain. We've been cleaning. I cut down some of the elderberry that was leaning over my fig tree, so I got them over. So, yeah. A lot of the cosmos is laying down because of all the wind and the rain, but that's okay. I'm going to take a lot of them up. And I had been to put cardboard under my Vigos, so we don't have to worry about that. So let's go check out what's going on in the back. Yeah. When I say that the bugs are out in force, I mean they are out in force. Now, let me share this one with you. Look at it. Baby, that thing is coal black. She is coal black, sitting next to garlic. That is gorgeous, though. She is a gorgeous bug, I mean, but look how black she is. She's almost like velvet. She's velvet. But y'all know y'all got to say goodnight to this baby. My pepper that I topped. But I wanted to share this with you. Check this out. Let me bring it really low. There it is right there. Okay, you see that right here? Wait. Right there. You see that? That is worm casting. That's what that is, worm casting. And that is the cool thing about earthworms. Earthworms, yeah, they live in the ground, but when they need to poop, they come up to the surface. Yeah, they come up to the surface, poop, and then they go back. So if you ever see anything in your garden that looks like this, wait a minute, see, can I get a good shot of it? Yeah, there it is. You know what it is. It's just worm casting, baby. That's all. So I'm definitely gonna let it stay right here with this little mama. Do your thing. Do your thing. All right, so I'm in this raised bed and I'm gonna drop back to our roots okra. So these are okras that back to our roots grew last year in their garden. Houston got the Texas, got these Texas okras, right? So I'm gonna drop these seeds right here. All right, guys, I'll be back. All right, they're all dropped. So you see a lot of garlic bulbs in here because they were just in here, and I'm not going to take them out. No, I'm gonna let them do their thing. Here, the okras are dropped. Now I'm gonna wait a little while because even though, you know, it looks all sunny and bright, but yeah, we got rain in the forecast. She coming. All right, guys, I'm gonna go get something to drink. It's warm out here. So this is my harvest for today of cucumbers. Yeah, this is about my 4th harvest of cucumbers. Now, family, I know that there is a recall on cucumbers. Seriously, that does not affect me, right? Especially when you're talking about fresh vegetables, in-season vegetables, and I am a gardener. That should never affect me, and it doesn't. So one thing I will say to gardeners, when it comes to recalls on fresh vegetables, right? Don't wait to the recall. Drop your seeds. Baby, drop your seeds. So it doesn't matter how many recalls they have on fresh vegetables. If they're in season, I'm growing it. All right, family.